Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to make custard powder at home using just 4 ingredients. Without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe I'll be using 2 cups of cornstarch, and everything used in this video you can get them at any grocery store to buy. I'll be using food coloring, which is also known as egg yellow, vanilla flavor, you can use any flavor of your choice, powdered milk. I will start by transferring everything into a blender. Add in cornstarch, and I'm using a blender to blend everything together so it can mix properly. You can also use a spoon or a whisk to just mix everything together. That is fine as well. Add powdered milk, vanilla flavor, food coloring, and I will transfer it to blend. I will blend till everything is well combined. Transfer the custard powder into a container. And everything is well blended. This is what it looks like. So because I use a blender is warm, I'll leave it to cool down. And when it's cold, transfer into a storage container, and you can store this for months. It is good to go. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you all so much. If you are not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe, put on the notification bell, which will enable you to get notified each time I upload video. And please like the video and share it with your loved one as well. And the custard powder is ready. And to make your custard, you add some of the powder in a bowl. And mix it with room temperature water. And it should not be too thick, it should look just like so. And once you're done mixing it, you will need a boiling water. Stir and add in the boiling water. And stir it very well so everything can cook through. And you can make your custard anyhow you like it. If you want it very light, you add in more water. If you want it thick, you make it just the way you like it. And this is how I like mine. And like so. And for custard, if you're not ready to have it yet, just add in some water on top so it doesn't dry out, and cover it. And you can enjoy your custard with anything of your choice. You can have it with akara, moi moi, bread, or you can even enjoy it just like that without adding anything. I like to add some sweetener to mine, and I'll be using sugar. You can use honey. And I will mix it very well. And I'll be adding evaporated milk as well. And this custard was very delicious. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.